Good morning. Query number 35. Parent is asking that child is not responding to outsiders who are asking questions, and also to the parents when they are talking, even though child is verbal, child is not feeling interested in talking, answering, saying something. So I would suggest that parent to check their own conversation with the child, what kind of conversation they are doing. Are they just asking questions? Are they communicating with the child in a way we should create some excitement in the child? Because see, children, they are not interested in our talks, they are not interested in answering us. Most of the time what happens is they cannot process what we are saying. Processing is late in our children, so we cannot expect that we say something and they will answer us. That doesn't work like that. So first of all, to work on it, we should stop asking something so that they can answer. That expectation has to drop first. See, I'm not saying that we should train them not to talk at all, but talking is something self motivated, it cannot be forced on someone. So what you can do is you can create situations where there is a lot of fun, and playfully child will start to say things, answer, and create so much excitement in the child that whatever you do it with excitement, and child will want to participate in talking verbally. Okay, so if you check the parent child bonding games, there are so many ideas I have put, wherein you can make the child communicate in a very funny interactive manner, wherein child will be interested in that activity. So whatever idea is that child is a child. Okay, so they cannot think like us or they cannot do like us. So what we do is we become a child and think like them. We see what interests them, what will motivate them to talk. So we do that. Okay, so at home you are doing like this. Now I am totally agree if we say that others will not understand this, others will not do like this. I can do, but what about others? What about people when we go outside and they are asking questions, they are saying something? So it will take time. It will start with home. Now it will start with the parent first, that the child will feel comfortable to talk with the parent, and then same will get applied outside. And outside also, instead of just focusing on a lot of people talking to your child, maybe you can pick some people who are very good at talking to the child. I mean, very interactive people, and they know how to talk to a child. You can just expose the child with those people and make friendship happen. Okay, and that way you will see that child is also responding to them. Children are very very intelligent, like they know whom to talk to, whom not to talk to. I mean, they do respond well. If the person is very funny, very interactive, very what you call that, very excited kind of person, na, they will respond positively. So try to listen to this message again and again if you are missing any point. And the idea is bring fun in the way you talk to your child, and don't say long sentences, keep very short sentences so that child can process what you are saying and respond as well. Also go to the games which I have put, please watch them and start playing them, and I am sure that you will see the difference. All the best.